Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Aguilar and you are watching DPAT TV. Ladies and gentlemen, broadcasting to you live from Barangay Inonas in the city of Ordaneta in Pangasinan inside DPAT's laboratory. Don Patrick D. Aguilar proudly bringing you another Run and Gun Wednesday evening of the Mini 4-wheel drive racing action right here, live and exclusive on DPAT's Tamiya League. This is DPL SMC. Alright, so without further ado, we'll now proceed right away with our racing for tonight's Run and Gun Wednesday action right here on DPL SMC. Once again, Don Patrick D. Aguilar here to kick off our Run and Gun Wednesday edition of DPL SMC on a Blackjack Wednesday dahil February 21, 2024 po ngayon, 21st day of February. So Blackjack February yung ating tema ng labanan dito sa DTL SMC for tonight's Run and Gun Wednesday action. Beginning with this team road, actually, sa simula ng ating karera, it will be, it's going to be Setsuna taking on Merrick to start off festivities here in our Run and Gun Wednesday evening of racing here on DTL SMC. Start off with Team Road this time. Last nung Monday, Team Home ang nauna. Ngayon, Team Road naman. And lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1 yung mga starting lane ng IRC. So for this race, number 1 for Team Road, it's going to be Setsuna versus Merrick. And being the IRC, Setsuna will start at lane 2, Merrick at lane 1. I repeat, Setsuna at lane 2, Merrick at lane 1. To start off our group stage here on DTL SMC on a Run and Gun Blackjack Wednesday evening with this race number 1. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. Patay! Last two. Final lap. Suave. Suave. Yan. Yan. Merrick winner. Alright. Biglang imbang agad si Setso na durug. Alright. So 1-0. Magandang simula ito. Good start for Merrick to start off festivities here on DTL SMC tonight. Alright. Race number 2 right away. It's going to be 2 Super 2 chassis cars going at it. It's going to be Venom taking on Neon Sarah. In our race number 2 for Team Road, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1 and Neon Sarah starting at lane 2. I repeat, Venom at lane 1 and Neon Sarah at lane 2. Alright, race number 2 for Team Road. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. Venom still ahead. Last two. Final lap. Wow! What a magnificent display of speed and stability for both Venom and Setsuna, but Venom was just too much to handle. Venom was just too hot to handle for Neon Sarah, and Venom will eventually winning it. Alright. Oh, mismo. Grabe yun. Pero talagang quick start agad eh. Talagang quick fire ang pinakita. Lightning fast para kay Venom. Partida, stock motor lang yan ha. Alam mo, sino may sabing boring yung SMC para stock motor. Buti na yan, kaysa magkalasog-lasog yung mga auto, syempre, Mga panlabang ko yan eh. Alright. Race number 3 na po tayo for Team Road. It's going to be Setsuna taking on Neon Sarah. Alright. In our race number 3, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 2. Neon Sarah starting at lane 1 this time around. I repeat, it's Setsuna at lane 2, Neon Sarah at lane 1. It's purple versus green right here in this race number 3 for Team Road. Sweet up. Mamaw, ready, set, fight. Hinabol pa. Hinabol pa. Bato, let's see if Neon Sarah can hold on. Final na po yan. Hey, oh! What an upset, grabe. Grabe ang upset ko mga kalipat. Wow. Neon Sarah winner. Alright. Grabing ano yan. Grabing habulan yan. Ayan, no? Kikita natin sa replay. Akala natin lamang na si Setsuna, biglang karipa si Neon Sarah. Grabe yun. Grabe yun mga kalipat. Wow. Sarah wins. Setsuna medyo nagkanda-galop-galop siya eh. Kaya naisahan pa eh. Kaya na talagang ano na inumusan eh. Okay. Tapos. Okay. Race number 4. Alright. Race number 4 na tayo right away. It's going to be Venom, yung mga finalists nung nakaraang Valentine's Day. Hindi, Valentine's Day nung 12 pala. Venom versus Myrick pala. Ito nung game 3 ito. Rematch from February 12, 2024 edition. Championship race for Venom versus Myrick. In our race number 4 for Team Road. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1, Myrick at lane 2. I repeat, it's Venom at lane 1 and Myrick at lane 2 to start off this race number 4 for Team Road. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Myrick ahead. Oh! Let's see if Venom can catch up. At kapay na lang ito. Ayun, medyo sa mga best. Venom. Ayun na. Dali. Doon siya nadali. Doon nadali si Venom. Doon sa wall. Kumapit sa track wall eh. Malas. Ayun, nabutan. Hindi tuloy nahabol si Myrick. And Myrick securing another victory. This time at the expense of Venom. Alright. Medyo nagkaka-crack na kasi yung axle ni Venom eh, kaya nagkakaganyan na yung nangyayari eh. So malamang nga baka team home na lang siya. No? Ibang klase. Ibang klase. Yan. Alright. Ano yung resulta? Venom lost. Venom lost. And then Myrick won another 4 points agad para kay Myrick. Maganda simula to. Alright. Penultimate race for our the penultimate race for our group stage here on DTL SMC for Team Road. It's going to be the Dark Warriors, Venom and Setsuna going at it one more time. Sila yung nagpasimundo dun sa unang dalawang semifinals matchups po natin. Semifinal championship races natin. Yung unang dalawang championship race, sila yung magkalaban. This time, magkalaban po rin sila dito sa ating penultimate race dito sa Team Road for our group stage. And in this matchup, it's Venom at lane 2. And switch on. Ready, set, live. Yan ang mamaw. Patay. Junior Venom. Final lap, yan talagang lakas niya eh. Yan talaga lakas niya. Sa kurba. Sa kurbahan talaga siya malakas. Yan talaga. Kaya nga no wonder bakit torch yun ang gamit niya eh. Venom, winner, closing out this group stage with a victory against Setsuna. So Setsuna winless. Unfortunately for Setsuna, winless ang kanyang group stage campaign going to the KO stage. Therefore, R4 siya mamaya. R4 siya mamaya. Let's see kung masisweep ni Merrick itong yung group stage sana. Okay. Final assignment for Team Road, it's going to be Merrick taking on Neon Sarah. And in this matchup, it's going to be Merrick at lane 1 and Neon Sarah at lane 2 as their respective starting lanes. Yeah, I repeat. Merrick at lane 2, Merrick at lane 1 rather, Neon Sarah at lane 2. Yun ang kanilang mga starting lane for this battle of Lingayen Survivors in our 6th and final race for Team Road in the group stage. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Grabe. Satu. China. Oh. Nice one. Minalas pa. Neon Sarah winner upsetting Merrick in their battle of Lingayen Survivors. Okay. So tapos na ang Team Road. Ganun lang kabilis. Hindi kinailangan ng talagang natapos in 6. Ibang klase. Nakakailang pa lang tayo? 21 minutes. 21 minutes pa lang tayo sa ating live. Alright. Alright, let's proceed right away with our team home. Opo. Team home na po tayo. Group stage sila. Yeah. So tapos na sa team, tapos na sa team road. This time, it's going to be team home going into action here on DTL SMC as Papa Roach will take on Polaris in our first of 6 races for team home in the group stage. And in this matchup, it's going to be Papa Roach starting at lane 2 and Polaris will start at lane 1. So yung mga parehong kulay nila, yun ang kanilang mga starting lanes. Papa Roach at lane 2, Polaris at lane 1. To start off this group stage for team home with our race, with the race number 1. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Quick start by Polaris. Papa Roach catching up and grabbing the lead. Ay, naisahan pa. Lato, madikit ang laban. On to the final lap ito. Grabing race yun for team home. Grabe yung start nilang dalawa. Split second lang ang pagitan. Nahuli lang ng gap. Nauna ko nasalo, kaliwa. Ganito lang yung gap nila. Police, wag ganun lang, Halang yan. Grabe, ganito po yung gap. Sos, Ginoo! And it's going to be Papa Roach winning a close call over Polaris. Grabe! Grabing laban yun. What a way to start off Team Home's group stage with that close encounter between Papa Roach and Polaris. Holy smoke! Gabuhok! Sus Mariosep Gabuhok! Yan. Ayun, ganun pala. Live rewind lang pala kailangan. Ayun. Okay. Race number 2 na po tayo right away. Archera Myrtle versus Cosmo Atomica for our race number 2 for Team Home. And in this matchup, it's going to be Archera Myrtle starting at lane 1, Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2. Again, another set of blue versus red with their same color of starting lanes. Archera Myrtle at lane 1, Cosmo Atomica at lane 2. All right. Race number 2 for Team Home. Switch on. Ready, set, Hinabol. Hinabol na. Hinabol na. La 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 la. Final lap. Ayun na preno. Ayun na preno din. Wala, na preno. Parehong na preno. Biglang na preno pareho Pumreno parehas Grabe. Archera Myrtle winner. Alright, pero close game yun Close encounter yung nangyari doon, sus Mariote. Grabe. Tinding labanan yun Cosmo loss. Next, Battle of Losers, agawan sa first win between Cosmo Atomica and Polaris, or Polaris versus Cosmo Atomica in our race number 3 for Team Home. And in this matchup, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1, Polaris at lane 2. I repeat, contrasting colors po yung kanilang mga starting lanes. Cosmo Atomica at lane 1 and Polaris at lane 2. Alright, race number 3 for Team Home. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Patay. Tapos, ano lang, bakabalan ng talon Sorry. Nalaglag. 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 Cosmo Atomica winner. Alright. Dalawang talo na si Polaris. Minamalas na naman. Nadali. Blue. Loss. Cosmo, 1 win. Next, someone's O has got to go once again as two undefeated cars will go at it one more time. Archera Myrtle versus Papa Roach in our race number 4 for Team Home. Magbabanggaan uli sila ng speed and stability. Magtatagi sila ng speed and stability ang dalawang aerodynamic cars na ito. Wherein starting lanes of the cars are as follows: Archera Myrtle at lane 1 and Papa Roach at lane 2. So same colors. Same colors kanila mga starting lane. Again, it's Archera Myrtle at lane 1 and Papa Roach at lane 2. To start off their rematch in our race number 4 for Team Home. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Papa Roach ahead. Archera Myrtle catching up. Last lane changer, Papa Roach. Final lap. Hold, smoke. Kumeno pa. Kala ko, petreno Kala ko, mauunahan na-preno din Medyo matagal na na-tilt siya na choke. Ibig sabihin na choke. Na-choke si, na-choke si Archera Myrtle. Ayun, naisahan din ni Papa Roach, nakaganti. Papa Roach settling the score against Archera Myrtle. Alright. Grabe. Gandang laban. Ang gagandang laban, may kulbayan. Wow. So, undefeated si Papa Roach. Archera Myrtle splitting so far. Splitting its assignment so far. Let's see at its final assignment kung anong mangyari sa kanila kay Archera Myrtle laban kay Polaris. So yun yung ating penultimate race sa team home. Alright. Again, Archera Myrtle taking on Polaris in our penultimate race for team home. And in this matchup, it's going to be Archera Myrtle this time starting at lane 2 and Polaris will start at lane 1. I repeat, it's Archera Myrtle at lane 2 and Polaris starting at lane 1. Alright, the penultimate race for team home in the group stage. Switch on. Alimaw. Ready, set, bye. Uy! Gato. Final lap. Biglang bagal eh. Take off. Winner. Upset. Naka-upset din, tawangas. Naka-upset victory din. Wow. Polaris winner. Alright. Naka-upset din. Ano pa, spoiler alert. Spoiler alert, itong si Polaris. Spoiler alert. May spoiler alert tayo. Finally but not the least, for team home, it's going to be Papa Roach taking on Cosmo Atomica. Battle of Orange Army Cars continue. Battle of Oranges. Labanan ng mga kahel sa ating pinakawaling race ngayong Run and Gun Wednesday ng gabi sa ating group stage here on DTL SLC, wherein the starting lanes of the cars will be Papa Roach at lane 1, Cosmo Atomica at lane 2. I repeat, it's Cosmo Atomica at lane 2, Papa Roach at lane 1. To close out their as their starting lanes are respectively in this final race of team home in the group stage. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Patay. Babalan tayo. So, final lane changer. Smooth lang. Final lap. Closing out this Run and Gun Wednesday evening in the group stage with a bang is Cosmo Atomica upsetting Papa Roach. Alright. So wala naman siguro magkakatabla. Ay hindi, may tiebreaker pala tayo sa kabila. Pero palagay ko dito sa ano na to, wala. Let's see. Alright. Let's see kung hindi pa talaga officially ended yung group stage natin. Meron pang three-way tie doon sa kabila. So tingnan natin sa team home kung settled na. Lane 1 si Beno. This time lane 2 siya. Alright. Switch on. Tiebreaker play. Ready, set, bye. Last man standing concept apply. Okay. Ready. Beno winner sa una. So pag natalo pa si Merrick, isa pa. Pag isa pang talo ni Merrick, H3, R3 na siya. R3 na siya. Okay, next, Neon Sara, Venom. Okay, Venom, Neon Sara, yung kabila, ano ba yung naging laban nila? Lane 1, lane 2, o palit, lane 2 naman si Venom. Switch lane yan. Venom, lane 2. Alright, ay, pareho palang ditihip. Ko po, nakalimutan ko. Tiebreaker phase, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay, 1-1. Neon Sara, Venom 1-all. Pero pag natalo pa si Mirik dito, si Neon Sara na yung Neon Sara na yung top seed. So battle for top seed. Chance na ngayon ni Neon Sara na makuha yung top seed. Chance ngayon makuha ni Neon Sara yung makuha yung top seed. Sila yung last race nung di ba? Okay. So ano na to? So lane teka. Ano yung last race nun? Lane 1, lane 2, si Merrick lane 1. Lane 2 ngayon si Merrick. Tapos lane 1 si Neon Sara. Ayun, switch lane yan. Sa tiebreaker phase kasi pwede mag-switch lane. Alright, switch on. Last man standing. Let's see kung si Neon Sara na yung yung top seed. Kung manalo pa si Neon Sara, kanya na yung top seed. Alright, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Naku po. Ang haba kasi ni Merrick eh. Okay. Dati. Ayos na. Yun. Sa wakas. Ayos. So, Merrick will be R3 pala. Road. Third seed sa road. Third seed team road si Merrick. Alright. So, ayos na po yung ating tiebreaker phase. That will conclude this tiebreaker phase for our for team. Almost one. Alright, so at the end of our group stage for tonight's Run and Gun Blackjack Wednesday action here on DTL SMC, it's going to be the result. It's going to be Neon Sara after the tiebreaker phase. Neon Sara garnered R1 or the top seed for Team Road. R1, then Venom will be R2, Merrick will be R3, and Setsuna being the official kulelat of Team Road being R4. So yun, ang natin. Neon Sara, Venom, Merrick, Setsuna, R1 to R4 respectively. And then for Team Home, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica after its victory against Papa Roach, win over the other. Sila yung nagtabla sa unahan but win over the other in effect. It's going to be Cosmo Atomica being H1 and Papa Roach as H2 or top 2 seeds, first and second respectively. Ang third and fourth seeds ngayon, sina Polaris at Archera Myrtle, pero dahil nanalo si Polaris laban kay Archera Myrtle, it's going to be H3, Polaris, and Archera Myrtle relegated as H4. So isa yung official kulelat naman sa Team Home. Alright. So the quarterfinals pairing for our crossover quarterfinals and semifinals going to our KO stage. It's going to be R1 versus H4, Neon Sara versus Archera Myrtle. R2 H3, it's going to be Venom taking on Polaris. So Battle of Super 2s po yung ating R2 versus H3. Ang R3 H2 naman ay Merrick versus Papa Roach, R3 versus H2 respectively. And then Setsuna versus Cosmo Atomica being R4 versus H1 respectively. Alright, so doon na yung magsisimula kay Setsuna laban kay Cosmo. Our KO stage with this quarterfinals number 1 matchup between Setsuna and Cosmo Atomica. Yan, so sa labang ito, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 1. And Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2. So, yung same colors nila. Yun yung mga starting lane din nila. So, Cosmo Atomica at lane 2, Setsuna at lane 1 being the respective starting lanes for our QF1. Okay. Alright. Yung ito rin. Wala, itambros ko na mahinang. Kaya maganda yung pagkatambros ko. Alright, once again, this is yours truly, Don Patrick, the Paraguay, bringing you Run and Gun Blackjack Wednesday evening of Tamiya Mini Four-Wheel Drive Racing Action here. DTL SMC or DPAS Tamiya Stopwater Conference. And we are now in our KO stage that will be started right away with this quarterfinals. Number 1. Switch on. Okay. Ready, set, bye. Ay, patay! Kahon! Napasuka! Nagagala di ko bali sa swing data. Ay, nalap! Okay, KO. Stop mo. Wala na yan, panalo na. Panalo na yan. Panalo na. Okay. Loko. Tapul sa mukha. And unfortunately, Setsuna booted out once again in our, booted out early on in our KO stage and eliminated na naman po ng maaga si Setsuna. And Cosmo Atomica will have another opportunity to add on its 2 aggregate points going to the semifinals round. Alright. Malas, Setsuna, lagyan. Nalaman. Eh, pag nalaglag pa to, siya na si Korag. But dyan na natin babalik si Korag as Super 2 this time. Parang ganun mangyayari dyan. Or siya na rin mismo ang VMAX. Pwede rin siya na mismo yung VMAX, lagyan na lang ng bearing. Red or green lang to. Pero pag ang Team Road ang natanggal, X siya. Hindi. Contrasting color pala. Next, quarterfinals number 2 will feature second-seeded car Papa Roach taking on the third-seeded car from Team Road Merrick. So, H2 versus R3, lalabanan nila Papa Roach at Merrick. So, ating QF2, wherein the starting lanes for the cars are as follows. It's going to be Papa Roach starting at lane 1, Merrick at lane 2. I repeat, it's Papa Roach at lane 1, Merrick at lane 2, being their respective starting lanes in our QF2. So, contrasting colors po. Okay, para lang mga starting lane. Talagang sineryoso na. Walang down plus. Anong gentle. Sabay ganun. Alright, mga kadipat, let's get ready to rumble here in this quarterfinals number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay. Lumanot pa. Dato. Final out. And unfortunately, Merrick, another from Team Road, booting out early. Bowing out early itong si Merrick. And unfortunately, laglag din siya. Kagaya rin ni Setsuna. And it's going to be Papa Roach re-entering the semi-finals round. Alright. So, Papa Roach, so dalawa na. Yung Orange Army nakapasok sa semi-finals. Check. Another check mark for Team Home. Team Home, another X mark for Team Road. Next, quarterfinals number 3 will feature R2 Venom taking on H3 Polaris. Yan. So yung number anyari. Okay. So quarterfinals number 3, it's going to be Venom versus Polaris in our quarterfinals number 3. So second seeded ng Team Road at ang third seeded ng Team Home. Yung po yung magkalaban sa ating quarterfinals number 3. wherein ang magsimula sa lane 2 ay si Venom. Opo, second seeded si Venom, mas pataas yung seat niya. So therefore, Venom at lane 2, Polaris at lane 1 being their respective starting lanes. I repeat, Venom at lane 2, Polaris at lane 1. Yan. O, pag na-upload yan sa YouTube, meron kayong makikita na blue or red font. Ibig sabihin, yun yung mga starting lane nila. Pag yung pangalan na highlighted in red, lane 2 siya. Kung na-highlighted in blue, kung blue font, lane 1. Kasi kinulayan ko na nga po ng blue tsaka red. Pero kung 3 lane yung tracks ko, red, blue, green ang mangyayari dyan. Red, blue, green. So, yung yung kung red and green, red, blue, green mangyayari dyan. Yung lane 1, red. Yung lane 2, blue. Lane 3, green. Yan po mangyayari dyan. Tsakong, etong sa'yo. Ay, sorry. Teka, pag-amplas saglit. Nai-store ko tayo ng pusa kasi eh. Kakainis. Kakainis naman yung pusa eh. Yan. So kaya si Venom naka-champion of the month na rin ng October, talagang pang-Halloween. Pang-Halloween yung tema niya eh. Alright mga ka-Adipat, without further ado, it's now time for our quarterfinals number 3 in our KO stage. Switch on. Ready, set, 5. Bato! Ay na lang! Ay! Hindi pa! Disgrasya pa! Oh! Disgrasya pa! Just when we thought Polaris was about to head on to its victory or upset victory over Venom, but guess what? At the final lap, nagkanda chat pa, bigla pang natuliro. Ayun, embang, ending. Malas. Ending niya, embang. Turug. Darag. Yan. Nagkanda tuliro pa eh. Kala natin mananalo na eh. Bigla pang nagkanda pa. Yun o. Darag. Palitin natin sa replay. Let's take a closer look dun sa Chokoy! Alright. So it's going to be Venom advancing to the semi-finals round to face Papa Roach this time. So it's going to be Venom versus Papa Roach ang magiging labanan natin sa ating semi-finals number 1. Yeah. And unfortunately, Polaris booting out of contention. So at last yung Team Road naka-isa rin. Let's see kung magawa rin ni Neon sa nataplahin yung Team Home. Dalawang team road din yung mangyari. Home versus road mangyari. Let's see sa ating last quarterfinal duel. Alright, so checkin lang natin. Polaris, blue pala yun. So, blue crossmark. Tapos Venom green. Pareho silang green basta nanalo. Finally, but not the least, our quarterfinals number 4 will feature the top-seeded car from Team Road, Neon Sara, taking on Archera Myrtle. So, dalawang DP hit na auto magkalawan po sa ating quarterfinals number 4. Matibay na to. Tingnan natin kung mas pick pa rin ng Team Home. O, kung makatatlo yung Team Home dito o yung tatablahin na ni Neon Sara itong match-up natin. Evenly match, Team Home versus Team Road ang mangyari. So, let's see. In this quarterfinals number 4, wherein Lane 1 is the starting lane for Neon Sarah. Archela Myrtle will start at lane 2. I repeat, it's Neon Sarah at lane 1. Archela Myrtle at lane 2. Yan po kanilang mga respective starting lanes. Alright? Hindi ka na matataktak do, malas. Buti pa si Neon Sarah, pwede pa. Yan. Alright mga kalipat, it's now time for our quarterfinals. Number 4. Switch on. Ready, set, by. Nako. Natisod. Hinabol! Final lap! Oh, relay. Relay pa more. Ayaw pa. Malakas ang fighting spirit ni Archela Myrtle. Relay pa more. Relay pa more. Relay pa more. Relay pa more. Yan. Re-race pa more. May re-race tayo. Akala natin makukuha na ni Neon Sarah to. But unfortunately, minalas pa. Durug. Alright. Minalas pa. Durug. Alright. Okay. First of 2 restarts in our quarterfinals 4. Alright. Ready, set, bye. Now, Archela Myrtle ahead. Ayun, napreno pa. Patay! Tapos ang boxing! The first and boxing ay natin. Sinipa! Sinipa na si Neon Sarah. Aray ko po! Aray ko po! Dulog! And unfortunately, itong si Neon Sarah booted out early once again. Sayang yung kanina, kung hindi lang natumba to, re-race na, na sana panalo na sana sa semis. But no, it's still Archela Myrtle with the happy-go-lucky luck. Yan. Archela Myrtle, fortune smiles upon Archela Myrtle as it enters the semifinals once again to continue defending its crown. Yan. Yan. Malabo eh. Grabe, ibang klase. Akala natin ma-upset na si Archela Myrtle, biglang re-race. Ayun, natumba pa una si Neon Sarah. Aray ko po. So, tatlong Tagano natanggal. Aray. Pero pwede siyang bumalik sa Lunes kasi siya yung R1. Dahil top seeded siya sa group stage, pwede siyang bumalik sa Lunes. Pwede pa siyang bumalik sa Lunes. Kung sino yung highest seed na natanggal, siya yung babalik. Kung sino yung highest seed sa mga maagang natanggal, yun ang babalik. Ganun po yun. No? So may chance pa at least one more chance pa si Neon Sarah para makascore. So Orange Army laban sa Blue Warriors ang mangyayari sa ating semifinals round. Yan. To start off, we have Venom taking on Papa Roach. Venom versus Papa Roach. So it's the battle of blue and orange in our semifinals round of the KO stage in our Run and Gun Blackjack Wednesday. Yeah. So in our semifinals number 1, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2. Ay, hindi. Papa Roach pa lang lane 2, tapos Venom lane 1, I think. Kasi, yung ranking, Malas. Ayan o. Chagadoing sinipa. Rider kick. Ni rider kick. Aray ko po. Aray ko po. Alright. So, it's going, ano ba si Venom? R2. Si Papa Roach, H2. Pareho 7-seeded. O, de, best record. Pareho rin 2-1. Ay, o. Pareho rin 2-1 pala, no? Parehong 2-1. Pwede yung ano, aggregate scoring. Venom, mas mataas. Ay, o. Pareho pala second-seeded car. Itong dalawang to, sina Venom at Papa Roach. So, pareho second-seeded cars pala from their respective groups. Tapos pareho din silang 2 wins, 1 loss. So, ibig sabihin, ano na to, best record ko. Kung sino may mas maraming aggregate points, o yun ang ano, higher seed. So, in this case, it's going to be Venom. Kasi si Venom ang leading car natin sa aggregate scoring for this month with 12 points against Papa Roach, only 2. So, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2, Papa Roach at lane 1. Contrasting colors pala. Yun. Okay. I repeat, it's Venom at lane 2 and Papa Roach at lane 1 being their respective starting lanes for this matter. For this semifinals number 1, dahil nga po, pareho sila second-seeded cars from their respective roads, pareho silang 2-1 win-loss record, and also, ang nagtatalo na lang yung scoring, aggregate scoring. Mas marami si Venom. In fact nga, si Venom na ang leading scorer natin this month. So, yun ang repeat. Alright mga katipag, once again, this is still DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this February 21 on a blackjack run and gun Wednesday evening of February 21, 2024, and we are now in our semifinals round of the Chaos Age. Ano ako ng lamok? Napasok yung ilong ko? Durog! Alright mga katipag, it's now time for our semifinals number 1. Switch on. Napasukan pa ako sa ilong, ano kaya yun? Ready, set, 5. Lato. Ay, lap. Maras! Inunahan si Venom, aray. May injury na kasi to eh. Nagkaka-injury na kasi si Venom dun sa kanyang front axle. Namumroblema na eh. Ayun na, nasa id. Nasa id. But still, may chance pa siyang maka 1 point. 1 point. So this is the first time that Venom will not enter the championship race. And it's going to be Papa Roach returning to the championship race. With another shot at destiny, another opportunity to score a championship. Let's see kung magkakaroon sila ng rematch ni Archer Myrtle later on, right after this semifinals number 2. Let's see if Archer Myrtle can settle another date at destiny with Papa Roach as Archer Myrtle takes on Cosmo Atomica in our semifinals number 2. So, rematch ito ng race number 2 nila sa group stage. Itong dalawang to. Alright. So, in this matchup, it's going to be Archer Myrtle starting at lane 1, Cosmo Atomica at lane 2. I repeat, it's Archer Myrtle at lane 1 and Cosmo Atomica at lane 2. So, same colors being their respective starting lanes. Alright. Hindi ko na mahihipan to dahil MA. Kahit nga MA, mahirap. Alright mga kalipat, it's now time for our semifinals number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, dive. Ay, patay. Tatanggalan ng roller siguro. Patay. Malagutan na, last lane changer. Hirap na. Ay nala. Okay. Yan, natanggalan ng controller. Aray. Aray, problem. Nani. Aray, ko Nani? Nani? Official time out tayo. Ay, i-announce muna natin yung winner. Tapos, official time out kayo. I-up. Hello tayo, Nani? Wow. Malas, natanggalan lang ng controller. It's going to be Cosmo Atomica, so therefore it's a battle of Orange Army cars, which will be our championship race for this Run and Gun Blackjack Wednesday evening here on the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Also, si Archer Metal at si Venom ay malalagay sa race for third. So, yung Orange Army ang magdo-dominate ngayong gabi sa ating Run and Gun Blackjack Wednesday evening. Ay. Yung namalas-malas ka nga naman, no? Kung minalas-malas ka nga naman, no? Officials time out tayo, mag-install na lang tayo ng bagong model kaya, no? Archer Metal. Problema na to. Mamaya ko na lang i-glue yan kung sakali. Yun, ito may makuha pa akong glue. Kaya nung nilinis kasi itong laboratory, binagtatapon yung ibang gamit ko eh. So, problema na naman. Problema na naman tayo nito. Ay, ako. Yan. So, pagkakataon na ni Venom na si Bakin si Archer Myrtle. Pero kung manatili naman na maraming points si Archer Myrtle, makakuha pa rin ng maraming points. Na yun? May dalawang karera pa natitira eh. May Monday and Wednesday pa. So, there's a possibility na pa rin siya. Makakuha pa rin ng champion of the month. Alright. So, without further ado, it's now time for our race for third. It's going to be Venom versus Archer Myrtle. Yan. So, yung mga naglaban sa championship race, sila naman ang magkalaban sa race for third for tonight. So, H4 versus R2. So, therefore, second-seeded Venom will be the higher-seeded car for this race for third against Archer Myrtle's H4. H4, muntik na nga natanggal ng quarters pa lang eh. Reklama tuloy siya ng Neon Sam. Alright. So in this battle of blues in our race for third, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2, Archer Myrtle this time starting at lane 1. Yan. Oo nga pala, unas gulong, nakalimutan ko. So baka March, pwedeng hindi na muna sumali si Venom sa March. Kasi sa last month natin for RB Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, hanggang March po tayo sa SMC. Ngayon, pagdating ng May mga katipat, hopefully nga lang matuloy yung ating season 4. Sana nga po ba, basta di lang tayo magka-problema sa bahay, basta wala lang maging problema dito sa bahay, okay tayo sa May. Okay tayo magsimula ng season 4 come May 1, 2024. Yung po yung time natin, May 1. Ang start ng natin, May 1. Ay. Yan. Biglang bumagal si Venom, paano kasi mawawasak na kasi yung chassis niya. Problema talaga. Kailangan talaga meron akong carbon, high-grade carbon. Yun lang talaga pag-asa natin, yung high-grade carbon. Alright. Alright mga kalipat, without further ado, it's now time for our race for third this Blackjack Run and Gun Wednesday evening here on DTL SMC. First to make 6 laps, switch on. Ready, set, ride. Pinabula. Pinabula. La 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 la. Pinabol. Hihi. Lato. Ba, pumindot pa rin. Final lap, let's see. Patay. Nakihe. Patay! Samayad, yari. So that's it. And that's it. This might seal the deal para kay Archer Myrtle upang habulin si Venom. That might seal the deal. Alright. So after that after that awesome and exciting race for third, it's going to be Venom clinching the third place finish for tonight's Run and Gun Wednesday evening here on DTL SMC. And it's going to be Venom securing the third place finish. Dito na lang siguro. Pwede rin, maski dito na lang. Dito na lang, tapos dito yung champion. Dito yung second. Diyan na lang sa gitna. Diyan na lang siya sa gitna. Third yon, second, first. Yan, dito. Third, second, first. Champion. Okay. To culminate our festivities in our Blackjack Run and Gun Wednesday evening here on DTL SMC, here now is our championship race between Cosmo Atomica and Papa Roach. So, it's going to be the rematch dun sa huling karera nila nung group stage. So, it's going to be 8-6, parang 8-6. So, it's going to be the top seeded cars for Team Home, Cosmo Atomica taking on Papa Roach. So, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1, Papa Roach at lane 2. I repeat, it's Cosmo Atomica at lane 1, Papa Roach at lane 2. Yung for kanilang mga respective starting lane for this championship race. Yan. Parang hindi na makakipan. Alright mga kalipat, without further ado, it's now time for our championship race to culminate our Blackjack Run and Gun Wednesday evening here on DTL SMC. First to 6 laps for the championship. Switch on. Ready, set, 5. Paparos ahead with a quick start. Oh, relays. Arehong embang. Arehong embang. Release pa more. Biglang nagsibilisan. Biglang nagsibilisan eh. Biglang nagpaspasan yung dalawa eh. Excited. Malas. Na-excite. Pero grabe yung match up ni Grabe yung match up ni Venom ka ni RJ American, match na match. Match eh. Nung second half lang nung 6 lap race na yun eh, biglang yung umabol si Venom, hinarurot. Grabe. Despite having cracks dun sa front axles niya. Yun ang talaga nagiging weakness ng Super 2 tsaka BS. I don't know sa BZ kung ganun din. Hindi ko pa na-try eh. So, pero sa ngayon, okay pa. Sa akin, yung mga busy ko, okay pa naman. Wala pa naman nakita ng track. Maybe later, check ko. If ever may time. Alright? Medyo ma-extend tayo dahil na-release eh. Kanina nga, yung quarterfinals 4, meron din release. Natapos lang sa heat. Hindi ko na nasalo kasi, hindi na kasi kaya ng lolo nyo na kumapol. Dapat ako naman ang habulin. Alright mga kalipat, first of 2 restarts in our championship race. Ready, set, fire. Good. Papa Roach ahead. Final lane changer, Papa Roach. Final lap. One smoke. Stay on. Grabe. Buti na lang, di na nagpatinag si Papa Roach. Grabe. Grabe yung tibay ng apog ni P. Roach. Grabe. Wow. Grabe yun. Ito yung grabe na As we take a look at the replay center, ayun, ay re-erase pa lang yun. Doon sa championship reason. Okay. So finally, after the smoke of that final race was lifted, it's going to be Papa Roach being our new champion for tonight's Blackjack Run and Gun Wednesday edition here on DTL SMC. And also, congratulations still, Cosmo Atomica adding 2 aggregate points, and Papa Roach with 3 additional aggregate points. Additional 3 points sa aggregate scoring. So ano na to? 5 against 4. 5 and 4 respectively, sina Papa Roach at Cosmo Atomica. So here are the podium finishers for tonight's race day here on DTL SMC with Papa Roach winning the championship anew. Yan, so siya yung bago nating champion ngayong katatapos na Run and Gun Wednesday action dito sa DTL SMC. Yan, so additional 3 aggregate points. So 5 points total na to si Papa Roach. Pero baka hindi na siya baka si Venom nang maging champion of the month dito kasi 13 points na si Venom. Mamaya explain natin. So Papa Roach with a total of 5 points after winning the championship anew. And Cosmo Atomica returning to the championship race with additional 2 aggregate points, making it a total of 4 this month. Yeah, congratulations. Also, Venom still, congratulations for keeping up the good fight. Yeah, for always giving a good fight to each and every car here on DTL SMC. Ibang klase, kahit nga sa paniki, ibang klase talagang pinakita ni Venom. Oh my goodness. Tama ka, tama. Yung mga taga-Azriel. Shout out po sa Azriel Racing Center sa Paniki, Tarlac yan. Kita-kits soon on March. Kita tayo sa March. Kung hindi 3, 16. Kung hindi 3, 5 or 16 na siguro. O kaya 19. Baka sa 19 magkita-kits tayo dyan. 19, kung hindi 19, 26. March 26 siguro. Let's see. Alright. So, again, ito yung mga podium finishes natin. So, a total of 13 na to si Venom. And then si Archera Myrtle, 6 pa rin. So, with only 2 races left this month, kung mag-champion man si Archera Myrtle ng dalawa, there's no way na mahahabol pa si Venom. So, it's safe to say that Venom will be crowned champion of the month. So, the question now will be, who will be the other champion of the month for Team Home this time? So, settled na po ang overall standing sa aggregate scoring for the month of February 2024. It's safe to say that Venom will be garnering the champion of the month honor. So, 1/2 of the 2 cars that will be crowned co-champions of the month. So, yung isa manggagaling sa Team Home. Manggagaling na sa Team Home. So sa Team Road, settled na po. Yung Team Home na lang yung focus natin for the last 2 races here on DTL SMC this month of February 2024. Once again, these are the podium finishers for our Blackjack Run and Gun Wednesday edition of DTL SMC this February 21, 2024. And once again, this has been Don Patrick D. Peregular signing up for now, and thank you so much to all who watched and whoever will watch anytime here inside DPAS Laboratory dito sa DTL SMC po natin tuwing Lunes at Miyerkules alas 6:00 ng gabi sharp. Yan. So yan. I remind always, stay safe and healthy, avoid negative vices and especially drugs and all other negativities around you, and protect yourselves from all those negativities and toxicity at all times and at all costs. Alright, so once again, this has been Don Patrick D. Aguilar, leaving you a pleasant Run and Gun Wednesday evening to all of you. And as always, to God be all the glory and honor. God bless to all of us. God bless our beloved Maharlika Philippines and our Maharlika nation, that is. And God bless the entire world and all of us Filipinos across the globe. Muli po, ako po ay nag-iiwan po ng mensahe na mahalin po natin ang Pilipinas at sama-sama po tayong bumangon muli at ipakita at ipagmalaki sa buong mundong tayo ay Pilipino. Isigaw na malakas ang ating panalo, taos puso at taas no kahit kanino. Once again, this has been another presentation of another exciting Run and Gun Wednesday racing action here on DTL SMC. And once again, this has been Don Patrick D. Peregular saying, Shukran to Sentak for watching.